believe currently the industry's common understanding is that 2B will be the largest potential brought by 5G. So the industry application will benefit the most as the shift happens beyond connectivity to 5G service scenarios such as private networks and private line. In 5G, we have seen three major changes. Number one, the 5G enables vertical industries from the previous consumer-dominated services. Number two, the operator's value proposition changed from connectivity provider to an integrated ICT service provider. And number three, the monetization changes from the traffic volume to value-based services. We have advanced with many use cases working with leading operators in China. This addresses the vertical industries such as 5G smart grid, smart factories, smart ports, etc. It has resulted in improved productivity and efficiency, automation of high-risk areas, innovation and simplified processes. In terms of business operation, we believe there are three kinds of opportunities. Firstly, operators can leverage on the accumulated experience to accelerate the new 5G channel. For example, operators' messaging service in the 5G era needs to be upgraded to RCS-based 5G messaging, which can expand to a wider coverage. This combined with AI technology and video technology provides customer an ultimate experience. And secondly, operators will require a new agile 5G operations platform for various industry scenarios. What this means is that the business supporting system must enable cloud-native, microservice-based architecture and openness to allow for diverse applications. And last but not least, it is time to shape a new business model, moving from single dimension to multiple dimensional monetization and from connectivity-based to valued ICT service-based. With these, operators will be willing to invest in the best network that will also benefit vertical industries. The business supporting system will need to support the future to C, to B, to Edge, and IoT and even other unforeseeable businesses. The traditional waterfall development model is no longer effective enough, as it has to be put into a pipeline, sorted, prioritized, and implemented. Now, as cloud-native architecture, the Scrum, DevOps, and CI/CD processes become mainstream. It leads to faster development and implementation from months to weeks, even days. Secondly, as BSS layer will be decoupled and configurable, it allows for agility that shortens the time to market to days rather than weeks or months. To give you an example, we have a carrier Edge has done a successful business transformation, converged 8 diverse BSS systems into one unified platform. By doing so, they successfully shortened new offering time to market from 14 days to only 4 hours and improved operational efficiency by 29%. The third point is BSS will need to be open and ready for future in order to integrate with industry solutions, especially when faced with complex industries applications. We strongly recommend it to be in compliance with TMF open digital architecture and with our out-of-the-box business processes. This allows faster integration and is cost-effective. Operators will transform into being an integrated service provider to capture new 5G to B business opportunities. Vertical industries will require cloud computing, artificial intelligence, automation, and intelligent management to accelerate their digitalization. Therefore, it is imperative for operators to change their silo business model to a multiple-dimension business model, and from value-based pricing to a tiered, quality-of-service-based pricing. Operators will need the flexibility to cope with different scenarios. For example, in campus surveillance that required high bandwidth of 50 megabytes versus low latency requirement of less than 20 milliseconds for remote control of the crane in the port. What is crucial for the operator is how they can monetize from the delivery of these variants such as guaranteed network quality, bandwidth, latency, speed, etc. In February, Huawei has launched the world's first 5G standalone monetization product, CBS R20. It can support charging of more than 1,000 factors and flexible bundles, and it can reduce the time to market of new services from weeks to minutes. By leveraging with more than 300 enabled APIs, 5G operators can support their business and partners to quickly expand and upgrade their services fit into the vertical industries. The first deployment of the new CBS R20 in live 5G networks has already been completed with STC Quid. Now, over 20 5G operators have deployed Huawei CBS R20 product to monetize their business. Huawei Software's vision is to help our customers accelerate digitalization, build an agile operation as well as an open ecosystem. We are keeping invest 15% of our revenue into R&D. Today, we are serving more than 2 billion subscribers with over 300 carriers globally. In fact, currently, 38 of the top 50 carriers using our software solution. We are ranked as the leader for the past 5 consecutive years by Gartner in their Operations Technology Ranking Report. Since 2018, we have a clear strategy: cloud platform plus partners plus operations. We provide a new generation of digital business foundation that consists of digital BSS, digital services, mobile money, and cloud-based DevOps capabilities. We are also expanding our partner ecosystem that includes system integrators, developers, etc., to enable new business models across the value chain. In 5G, we have also been recognized for our outstanding contribution to R15 and R16 standards by 3GPP. We have evolved significantly in the 5G2B era to help customers build new 5G channels for enterprise market and to transform their 5G operations to be future ready. Our established business processes are based on open digital architecture, which allows for faster adoption of new business processes and monetized for new integrated 5G services.